This is going to be the wheelchair lift at the Grand Bohemian Hotel in Orlando, Florida. Riley Elevators and O-Town Elevators. Let's give this thing a ride. It's a General Electric screw driver wheelchair lift. Yeah, it's almost here. And there's your thing that turns it on and off. Riley, yeah. Come down. It's almost here. It's here. All right, let's get a cab view of it. It's a little grotty, but for the most part, it's fine. Now, all right. Okay, let's everyone get in. Make sure the door shuts all the way. Okay, dang. Let's go up. Like this thing. There's the bottom of the door to the second floor, or the pool level. Inside. Here are your controls and your stop switch. Let's watch it level. And you got a call station right here, right out there. We aren't gonna get out. Let's get a view down. All right, we'd better get down. All right, I'll let you operate it, Riley. And as you can see, we're in
Joseph.
Yep. There's Riley.
Hi, Julian.
Yeah, I don't want to risk getting busted here. There's your inspection certificate. Whoa, it hasn't been inspected in years. I did not realize that.
National Wheel Elevator.
Yeah, National Wheel Elevator Company.
Yeah.
All right, and as you can see, you can get a view right out over there. Don't open it yet. And this is the interlock. This activates the interlock for that door. All right, and as you can see, there's your controls.
I need to use it, sure.
All right, let's open this door, and we'll let the guy use it. It's gonna go up, so let's watch it go up.
Do you work for retake?
Oh, I'm just interested in elevators.
I guess, man. This is the first time that I see an elevator fan, so.
Yeah. Yeah, you have Fuji Tech elevators here. And I'm guessing you work here, right? Yeah, this is a nice hotel. I stayed here last month, so yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah. I'm just gonna watch it go up. I don't want to get the guy on camera, but I just want to get the lift going up. All right, I don't want to get his face. It's coming. Let's watch it go up. Here it is. It's coming up. All right, and it's there. So anyways, that sounds like a freight train. Anyways, there's Joseph and Riley, and that's gonna be it.